So here we are with the Orec Gardenquake tiller. We got it a couple weeks ago. We got it used, so it was from a rental yard and it was barely used. I mean, it looked brand new. I think it had been sitting for a while more than anything, but it was practically brand new as far as everything like that goes. Functioning wise, starts right up, everything like that, it's good. I think new, it's about a $2,200, $2,300 tiller. So yeah, I've tilled so far. I'll have a little time lapse. This is what I've tilled down here in the middle, real hard shell, clay, rocky stuff. So you know, it's giving it a workout for sure. Up at our other garden, it's a more clay based. It was a lot wetter too, and it ate right through that too. It liked that a little bit better just because it was able to have a little bit more moisture into it, where this is so dry and just terrible soil. If you're in the south, you know, North Georgia, East Tennessee, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Just worst soil on the planet. Here's some features about it. Now, I did not realize this when we bought it, but we had like a cheaper, like I think it was just a Husky, you know, just a big box store tiller, and it does like that. The other tiller had two, like forward tine and then reverse tine, where this one is only forward tine. And you know, for hard soils like this, reverse tine is really nice because it allows it to really dig down and not try to run away from you almost, and it really allows you to dig deep. But so far with this, I think it just helps that it's geared pretty low and it's pretty just slow. It just goes. I have it set on the deepest setting right now, which I think is about 6 inches, and I do on this, I make about 2 passes and it gets it all the way down six inches. It's really loose. And I had to do that with the other tiller as well. So I think as far as like reverse, not having the reverse tine, I don't think it's a huge deal on this one. Now I believe that, let's see and look what year this is. I forget what year it is, but there's the little plate, serial tag, whatever. It is gear driven. Or well, it's got a gear and then it's got a belt on the other side that runs it. It's very serviceable. Great customer support. Like, anything goes wrong on it, it's really the brand itself, it's easy to get parts from. So that was a huge thing for us, because the other one, the rear bearing back here where the tines are, it went out, and the way it's built, it's all cased together, so you can't like replace the bearing without having to take it, and it's just it's more pain than what it's worth for what kind of tiller it is and stuff. Where this one, you can get a new bearing for it, it's easy to take apart, it's just bolts, stuff like that, and it's very well built. Got a nice sturdy weight in the front, and then up here, it doesn't have the choke control, but it's got throttle control right here, on off, and this is actually like a diff lock pretty much. So with this back, it only will spin one wheel, and with this forward, it spins both wheels. Don't really know what the purpose would be for you just to have one wheel spinning, unless you're just traveling, maybe just less wear on it. But right here, it's got reverse, neutral, first, which is like, you know, it goes really slow, and then second. And with the throttle like midway and in second, I have to almost be jogging to keep up with it. It really goes. And then of course, tiller tines on. Go push it up. Here's a look underneath. It's got some crap up in there, but everything is really heavy duty. I like this, how it's rubber. The other one was metal. It just makes it where it's not as loud when stuff hits it and everything. It's got a Honda GX 200 on it. Pretty standard 6.5 horsepower engine or whatever. Pretty standard on all these little tillers. It's really well designed, like just a cosmetically good looking little tiller. It's very stout. It took me and my dad both to lift this thing out of the back of the truck. So I mean, it probably weighs, you know, 150 pounds, maybe a little less. 84 kilograms or kilos, so whatever kg, it's kilogram, kilos, whatever that is, somebody knows. That's how much it weighs, 84 of them. It's not a huge deal, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, got some pretty nice little tires on it. Not 100% sure, which having neutral, it shouldn't really matter. It's really dusty right now. The only complaint I do have is how close that is right there. See how like you get any dirt built up on this, it rubs this paint off. I see that being a thing in the future where that paint's going to be completely unexistent. Not completely, like I said, what year it is, but you can see the decals are starting to crack pretty bad. Now it was stored underneath, so it didn't have much rain as far as that goes, but sun and stuff will get on it, and occasional rain, of course. I mean, it's gonna happen. As far as we've had it, we try to keep it covered up, but you know, it's a tiller. It's gonna get worked. It's gonna get dirty. It's gonna get worked. So I mean, not too much you can really do about all that. But yeah, so far it's been a great tiller. This isn't really like a review as far as just there's not many videos on the internet about them besides from Orec, or however you pronounce it. So I figured I would just make one, just showing it, you know, real world, you know, use. Here's the soil. I mean, it's really deep in there. And then, you know, you just hit a bed right here with all this really terrible soil. I mean, when you hit that bottom right there, I mean, it hits. So our corn that we're gonna be growing down here is gonna have a fun time. But we grew watermelon in this soil surprisingly last year, and it did pretty decent. I mean, drainage for watermelon is a huge thing, but it honestly did not do bad at all. So we're gonna be growing corn right here, gonna till that way another, and then up there is gonna be some okra and some green beans, stuff like that. So yeah, and then we're also gonna do I'm gonna be releasing a video. I'm gonna be building a raised garden bed out of some just stuff I've laying around, some landscape timbers. It's pretty cheap, and then fill it with some pretty nice dirt that we get from our local landscaping yard. And then also here in the near future, you know, just videos on delivering gravel to customers, salt, dirt, anything we deliver to customers. And then also we have a Chinese mini skid steer. I'm gonna be doing a review on that. Got really lucky. It's just an auction machine, but we got really lucky with it. It's a good machine. So yeah, so just make sure to stay tuned, and lots of stuff coming in the future. Lots with the garden. Gonna be doing some sweet potatoes that we ordered from Haas, and lots of tomatoes, cucumbers, just little things here and there. Make sure to go follow us at Southern Firewood on Facebook as well. We post a little bit on there. That's mainly just for our business and everything, but appreciate all the followers that we have, all the subscribers, so just make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.